I'm pretty chill.
Say again?
Whoa! I don't understand. Don't understand. I'm pretty chill.
What'd you say?
Oh, Dusty. 20 minutes! I'm tired. I'm pretty chill. So see you in a bit. Hey guys, so my plan was to just get on here and just, talk about life. Talk about what's going on in my life. Like normal vloggers do. Like they open up and say, hey guys, today is December 23rd. Hey guys, today is December 23rd. It is 11:03 a.m., 40 degrees outside and a 30% chance of rain. And it looks perfectly natural when they do it. But for me, not so much. I feel like y'all are on the other side of the camera like,
I'm coming over to Kim's house to discuss, I don't even know what we're discussing, but I'm going over to Kim's house to discuss something she wants to discuss. I don't know, this bitch is stupid. Ugh.
Yeah, so, I don't know. What are we gonna do today? Like I said, I don't have anything to talk about. My life is pretty uneventful. You can't judge by how my phone goes off, but let me put that on silent actually. Like I said, my life is pretty uneventful. I'm pretty chill.
Say again?
I'm pretty chill.
What'd you say?
I'm pretty chill. So yeah, I guess we could do a DIY. That's always fun, right?
No.
Okay, so I was scrolling on Instagram and I came across this rather intriguing and aesthetically pleasing image. It's pretty dope if I do say so myself. And I was looking at it and I was like, I have some pieces from Home Goods that I have been dying to DIY and they actually look pretty similar. So let's tackle that today. I think I have everything, so I don't have to go to the store. Okay, so, let me show you the stuff first. That's a good starting point. Okay, so here is piece number one. This huge pot that I got from Home Goods. This was only $30, y'all. I never shared it with you. It's actually got some weight on it. But like I said, ooh, handcrafted in Ghana. Fancy. Not watertight. Oh, you can't put water in here? What the? Oh well, I kill plants anyway, so I won't be watering anything. I love the little crease it has here in the middle. And like I said, it was only $30. I knew I needed to get it, but I wasn't crazy about the color. So we're gonna tackle, like I said, the DIY or the picture I saw on Instagram. We're gonna tackle that. And I got this from Home Goods as well. Can you tell? I'm at the other end of the island, so I'll try to zoom in. But it's this vase I got from Home Goods. I got this like a year and a half ago, y'all. Never shared this with you guys either, but I love the little fold detail it has right here. And like again, wasn't crazy about the color. I knew I wanted to change it. This one was, I think this one was $29.99 too. I don't know what the sticker is. It couldn't have been more than $40 though, or else I wouldn't have bought it. So we're gonna go back to the faux lime wash technique that we did for the painting in my bedroom, and I'm really excited about it. I need to get my sheet because I still have my marble tabletop up here. I don't understand why I'm trying to do this before I have to go to work. Don't understand. I don't understand. Don't understand. Y'all remember that? Y'all watch Bad Girls Club? No? Just me? Cool. 40 minutes before I have to start getting ready. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, let me get my supplies. Can't do nothing without supplies. Whoa! First thing we need, spray paint. I'm gonna do a white base because as you can see from the image, it's rather light. So yep, I'm gonna spray paint it white. I got my plaster of Paris from last time, so we can make our mixture. And the mixture is gonna go water, of course, which you get from the lovely faucet. And I got some of these paints. It looked like they looked really creamy too. So this is just what I have on hand. Hopefully they work. We'll see. So I just have this unbleached titanium paint I got from Michael's, and this I got from Amazon. It's called Antique White. So I'm just gonna mix these, and I may add a little bit of gray to darken it up a little bit. So yeah, and of course a lovely paintbrush and a cup to mix stuff in. So I'm gonna go outside and spray paint the stuff white. Y'all don't need to see that. I mean, I'm just spray painting it. And I will be back to make our mixture. So see you in a bit. Whew. Whew. That was the fastest spray painting I ever did. Whew. Okay, so I'm tired. So while that is outside drying, we're gonna go ahead and make our mixture. I'm not gonna make a lot this time. Actually, let me get a clean cup because this is, yeah, I don't want that to get in there. Okay, so if you guys recall, the recipe, if you will, calls for try to remember, 2 parts water, 1 part compound, 2 parts paint. I think that's right. But I'm just gonna eyeball it. I never really measure anything. And I feel like this is like pancake mix, kinda. And I never measure my pancake mix. I just do it to my liking. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let me add some water. Add the plaster of Paris. And paint. Oh, dusty. So I'm just gonna take this antique white, start with that. Like I said, I'm not making a lot this time. Last time I made way too much. Gonna add this unbleached titanium. Excuse you. And like a touch of gray, just for the heck of it. And I got paint on my hands, and I need something to stir this with. Another high-class plastic spoon to go with my high-class solo cup. Only the best for the best. And I don't know why I'm making this right now, because I'm gonna have to blow dry those. That'll be quicker anyway, because I only got 20 minutes before I gotta go. That plaster of Paris, if you missed my lamp DIY, I found out that this dries very quickly, or it like congeals very quickly. So you have to work quickly with it. That's a little bit too, I shouldn't have put that gray in there. I'm gonna put some more of this in there. A little bit more of this. A little bit more. Just a touch. And I said pancake mix earlier, but it's not supposed to be super thick. Because lime paint isn't super thick. Yeah, I'm gonna go get the pieces from outside and blow dry them so we can get to painting. That's one. And here's the other. I did a horrible job spray painting, by the way. But it's okay, because we're about to cover it with paint anyway. 15 minutes. Okay, hopefully this will be fast. Okay guys, so I decided to just kind of bring you on down. Because I don't have time for all this. And it's, I mean, at the end of the day, it's just me painting. So, I'm about to get to it. Because there ain't nothing to it but to do it. Yep. Enjoy.
I can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it, what you asking for? Put you in a mansion, somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain, we can change that last name, what's happening? Cause you look so good, tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of a King magazine, but you gon' get yourself hurt here. Hey, baby, I brought you in the back just to have a conversation. Really think you need some ventilation. Let's talk about you and me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, on me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me, on me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No.
Okay guys, so it is the next day. I did a couple coats, but it was still a little too white for my liking. So I just got this, if it'll focus, this matte River Rock spray paint. And literally, all I did was just this is very dangerous, by the way. Don't do this in the house, but the wind is very disrespectful. I'm just gonna take my chances. The apartment is pretty open concept, so we good. So I literally am just gonna, just in random spots. Just randomly, I've been, wherever it looks a little bit too white, I've just been spraying a little bit of this spray paint on it. Also, make sure you do the inside too, because that shows. You don't want this to be like creamy white and the inside of this to be totally different, you know? Okay, that is dry, so I'm just gonna do one more coat of the paint mixture. And I'm also doing the paint in random places too, so it's not as uniform. I don't want it to be too uniform. So when it dries, it'll be light in some places and dark in others. Well, I don't even know if this is protective or not, but I'm just gonna spray this matte finish on here. Okay, and we're gonna let that dry. I just did that matte finish because I want it to be truly matte and look kind of chalky. So yeah, see if I can kind of, doesn't it look so good? Oh my gosh. Wow. Is this a joke? I may just be a professional. Could I have possibly got the hang of this DIY thing? Now, granted, this was just some paint, some spray paint, but the technique was key. Do you see the dark spots and the light spots? So good, right? Key point to take away from this video: layer, 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 random, random, random. And here you go. Okay, so this pot is actually professionally done. I got it from Home Goods. Y'all, mine fit right in. Like, you can't even tell which one is a DIY. Amazing. Amazing.
I want some of your brown Let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I shouldn't. I made her feel it, and her name was Brown. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are shade black burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing. What I'm kissing, what I miss. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to feel. Brown sugar.
Okay guys, that is it for me today. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys, like I said, tomorrow. But until then, peace out.